Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth setting in our realme phone friends. So in this video guys we will talk about guys how can we connect our Bluetooth earbud. So friends, you have any earbud and guys you have your earpod and guys you want to connect with your realme phone. So friends, you can connect easily. In this video I will show you friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys? You will have to come in guys your phone setting to connect your earbuds. So as you can see guys, your Bluetooth second or Bluetooth setting, third option friends, tap here. So as now first of all guys we will take out our earbuds. So friends, you want to connect only one, so as you can take one, and friends you want to connect both of, so as you can take both of, and guys we will on our Bluetooth now with refresh friends. So as we will have to wait here. So friends, you can see guys your earbud name. So friends, tap here to connect your earbud. Then guys you can see this notification, and guys tap here to connect, and guys it will connect, and guys you can see in use for calls and media playback. And guys battery, guys you want to check your earbud battery. So friends, you can check, and guys now you can use guys your earbud while watching movies, listening song, operating YouTube, Instagram app, like that. So all your friends, you have understood how to connect earbud. So that's it guys, thanks for watching.